In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Microsoft Copilot app. This is a very quick process, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. If you're sharing your device with someone else, switching accounts, or you simply want to log out for privacy reasons, signing out is easy to do directly from inside the app. To begin, open the Microsoft Copilot app and look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll usually find your account area. Take a moment to locate your profile icon or profile section there because that's the place where the sign out option is stored. Once you're at the bottom left, click on your profile. This will open the account menu and show you the options connected to your current login. If you don't immediately notice the menu appear, just make sure you clicked directly on the profile area and not somewhere nearby. After the menu opens, you'll see the Sign Out button. Go ahead and click Sign Out. As soon as you do that, the app will log you out of your current account. And that's it. You have successfully signed out of the Microsoft Copilot app. If you want to confirm that it worked, you should now see the app return to a signed out state, or you may be prompted to sign in again before accessing account-based features. That can be useful if you're troubleshooting account issues or preparing to log in with a different account. One helpful tip is to make sure you save any important work or finish any active task before signing out, especially if you're in the middle of using Copilot for something important. Signing out is simple, but it's always good to make sure you're done before ending your session. So again, the process is very straightforward. Open the app, go to the bottom left corner, click your profile, and then click the Sign Out button. If you follow those steps, you'll be signed out in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and clearly sign out of the Microsoft Copilot app.